just have to remind me that because we ride on the right. Everything's on the right. So remind me that everything's gonna be on the left.
I don't want to see you guys get hurt. Kids are liable for any damages. Okay? A hole like that, we would charge about $500.
You got the fake ID though, right? It's alright.
Okay, guys, when your time is done, we'll leave an orange flag. You guys see the flags up? And you come in. When you come in from the third ball, drive straight to us here. We're going to drive on top of this dock. Okay? When you come in, we'll be there to help you in. You see it?
She's all mad about it.
Hey, you want to wear them, you go ahead and wear them. When you lose them, don't be mad at me. It's our safety key. Yeah. Oh, it's the band over. Okay, that's in case if you fall off, you know, kills the engine, doesn't drive off without you. You guys hop back on, climb up from the back.
All right.
Don't try to climb on the side out there.
It'll flip over, huh?
Your key right here. You're over there changing. When your time's done and we call you in, I'll tell you when to hit that red button. Cherry!
I haven't heard that in a minute.
Yeah, I was like, what the hell is Cherry? Like, what the hell?
I'm bringing it back.
I believe it.
Should we go yet?
Go.
You and Dad?
Huh? Hell no. That's that local love, huh?
Oh yeah. Roger. So you can head back to the course. You're the only one now, so.
This is just
Video.
Oh, let's be.
Alright. Hold on, girl.
Go
Hold on. One more time. Just kidding.
for it. Go for it.